Still on the justice system, and the High Court has issued orders directing the Inspector General of Police to ensure that police do not hide their identity, faces, and even registration numbers of their vehicles when deployed to demonstrations. The police have been ordered to wear name tags displaying their service numbers as part of their uniform. The orders by the High Court follows a petition by the Law Society of Kenya. And our very own reporter, Melita Oletengis, brings us more.
Violence meted by police officers on protesters during anti-government protests across the country resulted in deaths and injuries. It was an outright defiance of the law. It is on these grounds that the Law Society of Kenya, through its CEO, moved to court to file a petition to hold the police accountable, especially those who hid their identity while unleashing excessive force to quell the protests. In the petition, the Law Society of Kenya cited that the Constitution provides for the culture of justification and that, among other issues, transparency and accountability is entrenched in the Constitution, which abolishes secrecy, and that Kenyans should be able to identify members of security agencies in order to invoke accountability when need be. High Court Judge Bahati Mwamuye, in a court order dated 14th of August 2024, directed that pursuant to the petition by the Law Society of Kenya's CEO, Florence Wairimo Muturi, conservatory orders be issued to the Inspector General of Police not to deploy unidentified police officers to quell demos, police officers not to conceal their identities, and ensure the registration numbers of their vehicles and service numbers were visible. The 6 respondents in the petition are the OCS Central Police Station Moses Mutai, Constable Martin Bae Kithinji, Corporal Isaiah Ndumba Murangiri, Nairobi Regional Police Boss Adamson Bungei, the Inspector General and the Attorney General. LSK petitioned that Martin Bae Kithinji manhandled Hanifa Farsafi on the 18th June 2024 while unlawfully arresting her at a peaceful and unarmed protest. Ndumba Murangiri caused harm on persons exercising their right to protest and the use of excessive force, while they want Central Police OCS Moses Shikuku and Regional Police Boss Adamson Bungei to be held responsible under the doctrine of command for deploying ununiformed police officers to fight peaceful and unarmed protesters. Pressure has been mounting on the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to expedite investigations on police officers who have used excessive force during the demos. IPOA states that it has forwarded files to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions following complaints on police excesses. The matter shall be mentioned on the 17th of October 2024, with the respondents expected to file their responses by the 28th of August 2024. Melita Oletengis, Citizen TV, Nairobi.